Hello viewers. Doordarshan is the largest broadcasting organization in the world, and very few people know that it was started in the year 1959, and at that time it was all black and white. Well, the Asian Games, the 1982 Asian Games in Delhi changed the fortune of Doordarshan. New powerful transmitters were installed for the terrestrial broadcasting, and at the same time, the arrival of color television in the Indian market also enhanced the popularity of Doordarshan. Doordarshan is driven by a sincere vision of providing diverse, accessible, high-quality content to its citizens. And we can say it has played a crucial role in providing education, entertainment, and knowledge to most of the Indians. Well, Doordarshan has worked for the national integration. So here we can't forget the Northeast. The Northeast, which is also known as Miniature India, is a unique melting pot of diverse culture and communities. These communities are very different, but yet they are bound to the greater nationhood. Placed against this backdrop, Doordarshan has set up PPC Northeast, which we also call Program Production Center, to provide a common platform to showcase the region's rich culture. We can say that Doordarshan from the very beginning has worked for the regional integration with the help of PPC Northeast and with other regional channels. Well, the 80s era, the era of 80s was Doordarshan's era, with the popular soaps like Hum Log, Bunyad, and other mythological dramas like Ramayana and Mahabharata, which revolutionized the TV viewing in India. There were other popular programs like Uran, a serial inspired by the life of Kiran Bedi, Hindi film songs-based show like Chitrahar and Rangoli, and we can't forget the popular health magazine Kalyani, which is still going very strong, and it has caught the attention of rural India. Well, Doordarshan have a very unique sports channel which is only devoted to the national and international sporting events. This is the only sports channel which telecasts rural sports like Kho-Kho and Kabaddi. Viewers, we have taken some interviews with the students, parents, and the principal to know about the impact of Doordarshan on today's generation. Let's see. There are numerous studies which show that TV programs can trigger behavioral changes. And we know that programs on television can have far-reaching effects on the impressionable minds of young kids. Whatever they watch on the tube, they take at the face value. Wordsworth said, "The child is the father of man." So it's very important that we give them the equal opportunity and the equal entertainment, the true entertainment which will help them to develop their personality. We have gone to various schools to know about their opinion, and we have taken their feedback amidst various entertainment which they have given to us, and they have told us about Doordarshan, what they feel about Doordarshan.
हम भावना चाই ভাল পাওঁ আৰু মই কাৰ্টুন চাই ভাল পাওঁ আৰু মই ডান্স ভাল পাওঁ গছে পাতি দিলে ফুলৰে খৰাই কিৰা মৰা ফুলৰে খৰাই ফুলৰে খৰাই মোৰ জিৰণ কাহতে ইন্দ্ৰধনু গঢ়িম মোৰ জিৰণ কাহতে ইন্দ্ৰধনু গঢ়িম বগলী বহলা বৰিছে বলুকাত বিয়লি বেলা বকুল বাগৰিছে ববসা বনতে বিচাৰি বিলাম গৈ বলা
I normally watch TV for around 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours. I see entertainment channels, basically Travel and Living, and of course our very own Doordarshan channel. I watch movies, basically Animal Planet, regional shows. And talking about our Doordarshan Northeast, I like it very much because it shows regional channels, and there is such like it shows serials or like shows which doesn't have any age limit, starting from children from 10 year to old women or man can watch those serials. Then it is basically enhancing our own cultures, traditions, and so we love Doordarshan very much.
The best part I like about Doordarshan is that it airs regional channels, like regional programs. It's about Northeast, and we get to learn a lot of information about different cultures of Northeast, which is not being aired in any other channel, which is only being aired in DD Northeast.
We really like the talent shows, and it has been found that the students love to watch these talent shows, and we are really proud that nowadays in Doordarshan we have found many of the talent shows like Sambhavna and all, and we really hope for the best so that we can show our talents in those talent shows.
I watch some entertainment channels and some good channels which and also though I really watch Doordarshan, I can say that it shows some very important and channels, some programs which are based on histories and also can give lots of information to children. And lastly I want to say that I love Doordarshan very much.
मुझे कार्टून्स देखना बहुत पसंद है, पर जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि दूरदर्शन में इतना कार्टून्स नहीं दिखाए जाते, इसलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि थोड़ा और कार्टून्स दिखाया जाए ताकि मैं खुद एंजॉय कर सकूं और दूसरे बच्चे भी एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
More or less I watch other channels, but nevertheless Doordarshan will always be there because it shows the traditions and cultures of other state which are not shown in other channels.
It's a national channel which shows different types of programs, and especially the programs from different castes. Like nowadays we people don't know what are the programs of other tribes like Boro and all, but the Doordarshan is only one channel which shows the programs of different castes and different tribes. So, and nowadays the Christmas and all, only the Doordarshan is only one channel which shows the Christmas carol and all.
Doordarshan is the only channel which is only showing the cultures of India and thus binding India into its own culture.
Doordarshan, when I was a kid, I used to watch this channel more often. Like some of my favorite channels were serials were Shaktiman, Captain Vyom, Junior G. I remember that when I was a kid. But now I do watch Doordarshan, but it's very rare. I want one or two more reality shows to be shown in Doordarshan so that I can enjoy a lot, and one or more wildlife shows like that.
I love to watch music programs and news on Doordarshan because it's quite authentic.
Doordarshan shows many knowledge-based programs which are actually beneficial both all for the children and the adults.
There is something which is very authentic about the channel, and it brings out the reality of the reality behind the country, and so we all should watch it, and we actually get to know what real India is.
It brings out all about the traditions in India. I want Doordarshan to go on, continue like this.
We get many kinds of entertainment there, like music and reality shows a bit, but I think they can increase in numbers so that more of the youth will be attracted to it.
I think best thing about Doordarshan is that it is very knowledge giving and very good for youth because it is away from the vulgarities.
The only channel that reminds us of the cultural heritage of the incredible India. Yes, we see the various other channels, private channels, we see cartoons and all, but the programs which are shown on Doordarshan are aside, which we really admire and are very knowledgeable.
So used to see the Doordarshan channel where many programs are telecasted, like for example the Sambhavna, that there I think the youths are getting a good stage to show their talents. So all the programs, various programs, the various tribes of Assam and all various programs are telecasted on Doordarshan.
हम बालक हिंदुस्तान के, हम सैनिक हिंदुस्तान के, हवा हमारे, धूप हमारे, नीले हमारा पवन है,
पसंद है, मन में हरियाली खेत है, हवा हमारे, धूप हमारे, नीले हमारा पवन है, मन में खिलती स्वाद पसंद है, मन में हरियाली खेत है, हम तो हंसना सीख रहे हैं, खुले हुए गुलाब से पढ़ पाएंगे हम जीवन का खुली हुई किताब से.
Viewers, we all have come to know the opinion and the feedback from the students. So when we are talking about the students, the head of this institution can't be left behind. So we have taken some interviews of the principal of some reputed schools, and let's see what they have to say about the impact of the television in India and what they think about the contemporary TV channels. Let's see.
As a principal of Army Public School Narangi, first of all, I congratulate Doordarshan on completing the milestone of 50 years. We as educators, we feel Doordarshan is a very balanced channel. It has been able to cater to the needs of the entire student and teacher fraternity through its multifaceted programs, educative programs, discussions, science programs. And we also have taken a very positive feedback from the parents. Parents feel at the time of examinations that they would like to cut off all other channels but only keep Doordarshan because of its balanced nature of portraying the events. They also cover whatever the children need culturally, and we feel that Doordarshan can go a long way in bringing in a little more of educative programs, especially discussion on the latest things, the core values of the CBSE. The value system needs to be a little strengthened, and I think media, especially Doordarshan, can play a very healthy role. Issues like gender sensitization and environmental and creating the proper forum for appreciation of environment protection, I feel are few of the core issues they can lay stress on.
দূৰদৰ্শনৰ যোগেদি যিখিনি কাৰ্যসূচী প্ৰচাৰিত হয় সেই কাৰ্যসূচী গোটেইখিনি কাৰ্যসূচীয়ে যথেষ্ট উন্নত মানদণ্ডৰ বুলিয়ে আমাৰ ধাৰণা হয় আৰু দূৰদৰ্শনৰ যোগেদি সমাজৰ সকলো শ্ৰেণীৰ লোকক সমানে প্ৰাধান্য দি সমানে গুৰুত্ব দি অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰচাৰিত কৰা হয় বুলি আমি ভাবোঁ বিশেষকৈ দূৰদৰ্শনে যি শিক্ষামূলক কাৰ্যসূচী প্ৰচাৰিত কৰে সেই শিক্ষামূলক কাৰ্যসূচী বা অনুষ্ঠানসমূহৰ যোগেদি আমাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলে যথেষ্ট উপকৃত হয় তদুপৰি দেখা গৈছে যে দূৰদৰ্শনে কেৱল মানে এটা শ্ৰেণীক প্ৰাধান্য দিয়ে অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰচাৰিত নকৰে তেখেতসকলে সমাজৰ সকলো শ্ৰেণীৰ লোককে সমানে প্ৰাধান্য দি অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰচাৰিত কৰে কেৱল মনোৰঞ্জনৰ দিশটোতে গুৰুত্ব নিদি শিশুসকলৰ চৰিত্ৰ গঠন বা স্বাস্থ্য সম্পৰ্কীয় যিবিলাক অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰচাৰিত কৰে বিশেষকৈ গুড হেল্থ বা কল্যাণী জাতীয় যেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ স্বাস্থ্য সম্পৰ্কীয় অনুষ্ঠানসমূহ সেই অনুষ্ঠানসমূহ চাই পেলাই আমাৰ বিশেষকৈ মহিলাসকলে যথেষ্ট উপকৃত হয় তদুপৰি যোগাসন তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কাৰ্যসূচীও আমি দূৰদৰ্শনৰ যোগেদি দেখিছোঁ সেইবিলাকৰ যোগেদিও আমাৰ বিশেষকৈ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলেও যথেষ্ট উপকৃত হয় আৰু এই অনুষ্ঠানসমূহে সমাজৰ সকলো শ্ৰেণীৰ লোককে সামৰি লোৱা বুলি আমাৰ ধাৰণা হয় আৰু বৰ্তমান যদিও ব্যক্তিগত টিভি চেনেল যথেষ্ট ওলাইছে তথাপিও দূৰদৰ্শনৰ প্ৰভাৱটো আমি কমি যোৱা যেন পোৱা নাই দূৰদৰ্শনে সকলো শ্ৰেণীৰ লোকক সমানে গুৰুত্ব দি অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰচাৰ কৰি আহিছে ইয়াৰ উপৰি পিপিচিৰ যোগেৰে আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ যি সাত ভনীৰ এই প্ৰদেশকেইখনৰ যিখিনি সাংস্কৃতিক তথ্য আমি অনুষ্ঠানসমূহৰ যোগেদি লাভ কৰোঁ সেইখিনি আমাক যথেষ্ট উপকৃত কৰে আৰু আমাৰ সাত ভনী যে আমি একতাৰ দলেৰে বান্ধ খাই আছোঁ সেইটোত আমি যথেষ্ট গুৰুত্ব লাভ কৰোঁ
All the viewers and students are especially benefited by Doordarshan programs because Doordarshan programs always telecasts some programs on sports, then cultural heritage, then health, then female programs also there, health, welfare, etc. or then some mythological programs also, drama, etc. So everything, whatever we want, there we can find in Doordarshan program, and these are very much benefited to the children and all the viewers, or generally in the rural area, because poor people cannot get these private channels which are not available in the rural area, but they easily can have this program and they can see. So I think some extension and expansion of these programs are also needed for us and for the benefit of the people. Apart from this, the new channel, it is very authentic. So always telecast the authentic news. So lying is not done by this channel. And then career guidance, it is highly beneficial to the rural and then poor students. And then career guidance, etc. So these are very helpful to the people of the village, not only the villages and urban students also, they are using this, and it help them to choose their career in the higher institution in different places.
It is believed that TV programs creates an illusion in the minds of young kids. Whatever they see, they try to follow and try to imitate the shows. Well, the parents have a tough job regulating the kids. They are in a fix what programs the children should watch and what should not be shown to the young kids. Viewers, we have taken the interviews of some parents and housewives. Let's see what they think about the contemporary TV channels. Let's go and just talk to them.
There are a number of channels in TVs nowadays. Once you open the TVs, there are a number of channels. Many channels are there which shows almost some violent movies and some other shows which are not advisable to see the children. Particularly as a guardian, I should say that they are not supposed to say. I have certain roles, so I used to advise my children, so you go to such programs where you can be benefited educationally, mentally, physically. There are lots of channels, particularly Doordarshan I have seen, their programs are standard. They don't go for violent. Even the movies also, they select some standard movies, particularly the quiz and things like that. These are quite beneficial to the children. So I generally ask my children, no problem, your entertainment is necessary, I know. But entertainment, there are many movies which you can get some good entertainment. You can pass on your time, but not through the violent movies where you want to pass the time. That is not advisable. So in that case, I think Doordarshan, they have done fantastic works. They are not like other channels, other commercial channels, where only violent and some other things, particularly even the news channels also. I seen certain commercial news channels, news flash. Only the violent news they flash on the bottom, not the main news. So that way Doordarshan is exceptional. I think that Doordarshan is a very good channel and they should keep it up. Once the Doordarshan goes for this, I think that will be the new generation. Nowadays, mostly the small children's, as you might have seen, the school children engaged in drinking, and some murders are also going on, 9-10 class students. So those children actually, I think there is some effect of these channels. There must be some effect of these channels, which Doordarshan never goes for this. So that's why I welcome that. Doordarshan should keep it up, and they should slightly, if they go for a better this thing, like in the morning, if they go for yoga program and things like that. So that will be quite beneficial for not only for the children, as for the whole society.
মই দূৰদৰ্শনৰ সকলো প্ৰগ্ৰেমেই চাওঁ। গধূলিৰ পৰা মানে টিভিটো নাচালে মোৰ মনটোৱে ভাল নালাগে। আৰু দূৰদৰ্শনৰ যিখিনি হেৰি চাওঁ, সেইখিনি সকলোবিলাক ভাল লাগে। সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেম কেইটাও ভাল লাগে, তাৰপিছতে এইবোৰ নাটকবোৰ দিয়ে যে চিৰিয়েল সেইকেইখনো চাই ভাল পাওঁ আৰু কৈলানী অনুষ্ঠানটো মই নোচোৱাকৈ কেতিয়াও নেৰোঁ আৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকক সৰু সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকক যদি পঢ়া শুনাৰ এইবিলাক দিয়ে নিউজ চেনেলটোত তেতিয়াহ'লে আৰু ভাল হয় তেওঁলোকে বহুত কথা শিকিব পাৰে সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে তাৰ পৰা বহুত জ্ঞান পাব পাৰে সেইকাৰণে বেলেগ বেলেগ আমাৰ ইয়াত সাহিত্যিক আছে হেৰি আছে খেলা ধূলাৰ কোচ আছে সেইবিলাককো তেওঁলোকে যদি লৈ পেলাই অকণমান শিকায় মানে তাতে দূৰদৰ্শনৰ যোগেদি শিকে তেতিয়াহ'লে বহুতখিনি তাহাঁতে আয়ত্ব কৰিব পাৰিব
দূৰদৰ্শনৰ মই নিয়মীয়া দৰ্শক দূৰদৰ্শনৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰগ্ৰেম চাওঁ তাৰ ভিতৰত প্ৰথমতে ক'ব লাগিব ৰাতিপুৱাৰ যিটো অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰচাৰিত হয় সুপ্ৰভাত সেই অনুষ্ঠানটো মোৰ আটাইতকৈ প্ৰিয় কাৰণ তাত যিখিনি শাস্ত্ৰীয় সংগীত আমি দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ সেইখিনিয়ে মানে অন্তৰাত্মা শুদ্ধ কৰি দিয়াৰ যেন লাগে গোটেই দিনটোৰ যিমানখিনি আমাৰ কাম থাকে ইমান কৰ্মব্যস্ততাৰ মাজত সেইখিনিয়ে যেন আমাক মানে নতুনকৈ কিবা শক্তি দিয়ে প্ৰতিটো দিনতে তাৰ উপৰি বিভিন্ন প্ৰগ্ৰেমেই মই চাওঁ আবেলি যিটো 3টা বজাৰ পৰা PPCৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেমবিলাক আৰম্ভ হয় সেই প্ৰগ্ৰেমৰো প্ৰায়খিনি প্ৰগ্ৰেমেই আমি চাওঁ ঘৰত যিখিনি আজৰি সময় হয় সেইখিনি সময়ৰ ভিতৰত আমি ভগাই লোৱাৰ দৰে হয় প্ৰাইভেট চেনেলৰ চিৰিয়েলবিলাকো চাওঁ দূৰদৰ্শনৰো চিৰিয়েলবিলাক চাওঁ গোটেইবোৰ চিৰিয়েলেই ভাল লাগে দূৰদৰ্শনৰ কেইখনমান নিৰ্দিষ্ট চিৰিয়েলটো মানে অতিকৈ ভাল হৈছে আৰু চিৰিয়েলবিলাকৰ পৰা আমি এটা মেছেজ পাওঁ সমাজখনৰ উন্নতিৰ কাৰণে এনেকুৱা দূৰদৰ্শনৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেমবিলাকে বহুত অৰিহণা যোগায় সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেমৰ কথাটো ক'বই নালাগে সম্ভাৱনা বুলি যিটো সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ প্ৰতিভা বিকাশৰ এটা প্ৰগ্ৰেম কৰিছে সেইটো সঁচাকৈয়ে প্ৰশংসনীয় এনেকুৱা আৰু অনুষ্ঠান যাতে আপোনালোকে প্ৰকাশ কৰে তাৰ বাবে আমি সকলোৰে ফালৰ পৰা আৰু দৰ্শকৰ পৰা অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা
জেনেৰেলি মই মানে দূৰদৰ্শনৰ ডেইলি নিউজটোই চাওঁ কিয়নো আজি বহুত বছৰ পৰা নিউজ চাওঁ আৰু এই বয়সত বাকী চেনেলবোৰৰ চাববোৰ অতিৰঞ্জিত কিছুমান থাকে কিন্তু দূৰদৰ্শনৰ স্বাভাৱিকে নিউজবিলাক একচুৱেল নিউজ বা শ্বৰ্ট হিচাপত দিয়ে কিন্তু আজি নাথাকে কিন্তু এইটো এটা কথা ঠিক যে দূৰদৰ্শনত এই এটা কথা আছে যে দূৰদৰ্শনত এই এডভাৰ্টাইজ কম থাকে স্বাভাৱিকে অন্য কেবলত কৰি এনেকুৱা এটা কোনো কথা নহয় যে ইয়াত যে দূৰদৰ্শনে যে কোনো স্বাস্থ্য সম্বন্ধীয় নতুবা ভক্তিমূলক কথা বা ধৰ্ম সম্বন্ধীয় কিছুমান প্ৰগ্ৰাম নিদিয়ে সেনেকুৱা নহয় দিয়ে কিন্তু ইয়াতকৈও অলপ দীঘলীয়া বা অলপ ৰসপূৰ্ণ কথা দিলে আমি সঁচাকৈ উপকৃত হ'ম
In our time, Doordarshan is next to cinema hall. So we used to sit in front of the TV and we used to watch all the Doordarshan programs. Chitrohar was main, then so many serials. Even we came to know about Ramayana, Mahabharata, all the characters from Doordarshan itself. Now the King Khan has been produced by Doordarshan. The King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, he came from Fauji. So many artists came from Doordarshan. Most important thing is that we knew so many things like remote areas, the custom, cultures of various regions, various cultures, then folk, so many things. Only Doordarshan was the main one to give us the knowledge. In our time especially. Now the satellite channels are there, so many, but the Doordarshan is the inventor of all the satellite channels right now. Main thing is that we even knew about art, about acting, about dance, so many folk dance, so many things. I cannot say the names, so many folk dances, so many things. Right now I cannot remember so many things, what we learned that time. But our knowledge has been progressed by Doordarshan. It has a great value.
Doordarshan has not bowed down to the cultural imperialism. We are living in very hard times where we need channels which will promote secularism, friendship, harmony, integrity and peace. The channels which are promoting gun culture, violence and selfishness can't be the voice of India. Truly, Doordarshan as the public broadcaster is playing its duty fully. We can say that Doordarshan is the true face of rural and urban India. It is acquainting the Generation Y with the rich culture and diversity of India and of course is educating the children and developing the personality.